Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!
Hello and welcome to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day with me, Puffles. Woof! Ha ha, April Fool.
Eeyore, what are you doing on my show?
April fooled ya. Ha ha ha.
Oh, that pesky Eeyore, so mischievous. Anyway, welcome everyone to Sound of the Day. Today, we are looking at the other ow sound, as in ow. Who stepped on my tail? Hugsley, was that you or Eeyore? Hoof! Eeyore. Anyway, this one is ow. Brown cow. Let's see if we can think of all the ow words we can and put them in the right column on our board, like this. Thank you, Mrs. Boucher. Now remember, if the ow comes at the end of the word, like in cow, it's usually this one. If it's in the middle or the start of a word, it's usually the OU spelling. Sometimes it breaks the rules, like when it rhymes with town or frown. Then this goes in the middle. Or owl, howl. Then it's this one. So remember, for N and L endings, or if it's at the end, it's this one. And other times, it's the other one. Give it a go. See how many you can think of. Hoof! Well done. How did you do? So looking at this, we can see that the OU spelling can come at the beginning of the word, but never at the end. And the OW spelling usually comes at the end and sometimes in the middle, and only in owl at the beginning, that Puffles could think of anyway. How many more words did you come up with? Good job today, everyone. See you tomorrow for another great episode of
Eeyore and Hugsley's sound of the day.
No, Eeyore, it's my show.
Woo!
And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!